Hello app innovators, once again it's the KAWA team out here taking you through MIT App Inventor tutorials. So in this particular tutorial we are going to look at the connectivity components that can be of use to us in connecting our applications to the internet, getting them to interact with the internet basically. And we shall show you different tools that we can use to make our apps truly connected. So let's dive into the tools that can help us bridge between our apps and everything else. So up here we have an activity starter, and this activity starter it helps us delegate some activities. There are some tasks our apps cannot handle on their own. So this activity starter works in a way that it can delegate these tasks for other applications to help it do. In case you want to connect, you want to open a web page, what can you do? You want to send an email. This activity starter can help you connect to a web browser so that you can do a particular task there. Then we also have here another interesting component which is called a serial, and basically this serial helps us connect our application to hardware devices using a serial connection. Most times we can do our serial connection using USBs, that's universal serial bus, or Bluetooth serial ports, and it's a way our app can communicate directly with some interesting materials such as Arduino boards or other microcontrollers. And this can work in a wired format or even through wireless lines of communication to these electronic devices. We also have a Bluetooth client, and this Bluetooth client and also Bluetooth client servers, these ones, both of them use the Bluetooth features on our phones. They are wireless ways our devices can connect with nearby devices, or they can chat, but this chat is a Bluetooth chat, so they can start up conversations with other Bluetooth devices such as headphones, such as other phones, and they can connect with other devices, so we can share information, we can do a lot of interactive work using these connections in our phones. Then lastly we have a web tool, and what this connectivity tool helps us to do is it helps us connect or talk to websites or other online services. So it's like a window opening us to the internet, and can help us download information from the internet. We can also be able to send data from our app straight to the internet, and it is super useful a tool to have in our application, because the internet is vast and broad, but having such a tool that can link us to that internet, it is pretty interesting. So these connectivity tools of ours here, they let our apps break out of just the small world of the application you've made to the vast World Wide Web. Also connecting Bluetooth devices, connecting hardware devices, and also they can open up a lot of possibilities to make our apps really powerful and interactive. Thank you.